Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming. First, I'm going to do is actually just get rid of this line down here. That level served its purpose for now, and with the way the price behaved today, yeah, it still pertains, just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the level here that a lot of people are still going to be paying very close attention to, especially after today, sits right here at this red line that I talked about previously at $20.50 as that key level of resistance. It never quite got tested today. I mean, right there, I suppose you can say it did. It definitely got within the general ballpark of it. But the key dynamic here that I think a lot of people notice is that this nice little consolidation period is happening just underneath this level. So that doesn't mean that, anything is for sure going to happen. But my point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that, if the price gets a nice break to that consolidation, there's a great chance for the price to get up to test 2050 and then potentially even break above it. And with a high volume break of 2050, again, no guarantees, but I don't think anybody would be shocked to see this thing get up to $21 and even higher than that, especially after such a nice little consolidation area right here. So consolidates out, breaks out of the consolidation, and then gets a high volume break of 2050. Again, no guarantees, but I think that's a more than valid and rational thought to be having. As far as areas of support are concerned, key level in the near term, going to be that purple line right there, which is, on my chart denotes a very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. Current value of that is right around $19.30. So keep an eye on that from the support side of things. But again, I think the most interesting dynamic here is a nice, healthy consolidation and not just wondering, can the price get the break to the upside, which eventually pushes it above 2050. Let's see how things play out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.